Want to learn how to change shipping address on your Sephora account? I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to How to Tutorials. In today's video, we will learn how to change shipping address on your Sephora account. For that, choose one of the suitable web browser. In my case, I am choosing Google Chrome. You can also do the same. As you land on this page, tap on the search or type web address option here and then enter here sephora.com. This will take you to the official web page of the Sephora app itself. Make sure to get logged in just like me. As you land on this page, you will get an option of profile icon on the bottom. You can see Alexa, that's me. So I'm going to tap on my own profile here. So what you can do is scroll down and tap on orders option here. As you tap on orders option, scroll down and tap on saved addresses. As you do it, you'll get an option of add shipping address, but above it, you can see that I have already added a shipping address on my profile, but I really want to change it. So all you have to do is tap on this edit option on the right corner and then scroll down, and then you can change your street address, your city or state or region as well, so that they can actually find you through your address. So I'm going to tap on the street address here and then change it. You can choose of your own. So let me choose Minnesota. You can choose of your own. When you have chosen the street address and then the city and state region properly, and you're all set for setting it, you can check it once more and then tap on this update option when you're done. So you can see that you have successfully changed your shipping address on your Sephora account. So this is how you do it. This is how you change your shipping address. Now you can go back to your homepage and then select as many new brands, makeup, skincare, and your personal care products, and then shop as much as possible. I'll see you in the next video.